What is depression? Being depressed often feels like carrying a very heavy burden, but you're not alone in the struggle. Millions of Americans suffer from some form of depression every year, making it the most common mental disorder in the country. Gaining a deeper understanding of depression can help begin the journey to recovery. Taking some time to learn more about the causes and symptoms of depression will assist you greatly when it comes time to consider methods of treatment. So in this video, we're going to talk about the causes of depression, types of depression, and the signs and symptoms of depression. Now, before we start, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Also give us a thumbs up and share these videos with the people you love the most. Now let's get started. Depression is more than just feeling sad. Everyone feels upset or unmotivated from time to time, but depression is more serious. It is a mood disorder characterized by prolonged feelings of sadness and loss of interest in daily activities. If these symptoms persist for a period of at least 2 weeks, it is considered a depressive episode. An estimated 17.3 million adults in the United States reported having at least one major depressive episode in the previous 12 months. Wow, that's 17.1% of all U.S. adults ages 18 and older. Adult females have a higher prevalence of experiencing a major depressive episodes than their male counterparts, 8.7% compared to 5.3% in adult males. Depression in the adolescent population ages 12 to 17 has also increased. An estimated 3.2 million adolescents had at least one major depressive episode, a number that represents 13.3% of the adolescent population. Causes of depression. There is no one cause for depression, and it depends on a unique combination of an individual's genetic makeup and environmental conditions. There are many factors to take into account. The brain's physical structure or chemistry. History of depression in the family. History of other disorders, anxiety, post-traumatic stress disorder. Stressful traumatic events, abuse, financial issues, death of a loved one. Hormone changes, menstrual cycles, pregnancy. Certain medications, sleep aids, blood pressure medication. Types of depression. Just as there is no one cause for depression, there isn't only one type of depression. It can take many forms. The 5th edition of the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Health Disorder lists 9 distinct types. Number 1, major depression, as we discussed, is the most common type of depression. Often, people with major depression experience recurrent episodes throughout their lives. Number 2, dysthymia is a persistent, low mood over a long period of time, even a year or more. It could be described as feeling like you're living on autopilot. Number 3, some people are more sensitive to the lower amount of light in the wintertime. Seasonal affective disorder is a type of depression brought on from a lack of natural sunlight. Number 4, those with atypical depression often report feeling of heaviness in their limbs. They may also suffer from irritability and relationship problems, as well as be prone to overeating and oversleeping. Number 5, bipolar disorder is also called manic depressive disorder because it involves alternating between mania and depressive episodes. Number 6, sometimes depressive episodes can get so severe that hallucinations or delusions are present. The person becomes catatonic or they feel stuck in bed. This is known as psychotic depression. Number 7, postpartum depression occurs after giving birth. Mothers may feel disconnected from their new baby or fear that they will hurt their child. Number 8, severe depression that shows up during the second half of the menstrual cycle is called premenstrual dysphoric disorder. It affects the individual's ability to function normally. Number 9, situational depression is triggered by a life-changing event. It could be anything from losing your job to the death of an immediate family member. Signs and symptoms of depression. Though there are multiple types of depression, many of them have similar recognizable symptoms. This list scratches the surface, but it provides a general idea of what comprises depression. Persistent feeling of sadness, hopelessness, worthlessness, or emptiness. Irritability, frustration, or restlessness. Loss of interest in activities or hobbies that used to be enjoyable. Difficulty sleeping, sleep disturbance, or sleeping too much. Fatigue and lack of energy. Difficulty thinking clearly, remembering, concentrating, or making decisions. Appetite or weight changes. Recurrent thoughts of death or suicide. Physical symptoms such as headaches, stomach aches, or back pain. Experiencing some combination of these symptoms for a period of at least 2 weeks likely signifies that you are in the midst of a depressive episode. On the next video, we're going to talk about 8 surprising symptoms of depression. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it and learned something from it. If you're watching my journey and would like to see more, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like, comment, and share this video with someone you love. Once again, thanks for watching.